This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Math Super Tips and Tricks. So this is very useful channel for math students, especially who are preparing for your competitive exams like JEE Mains, MSET as well as Advanced. I'm teaching the maths with easy, amazing tips and tricks that is mostly helpful to you for your focusing your final examination. Within short time, you can focus more number of questions. How it is? So you can watch the videos from starting to ending from my channel. Definitely can get the idea how it is possible. Okay, today's video is a most amazing topic. I'm going to deal with a simple trick. Within fraction of seconds, you can get the solution. So very important for JEE mains as well as MSET students. For both JEE mains and MSET is a very simple and easiest topic what I'm going to deal. That is nothing but rank of word. What is that? Rank of word. You know there will be words. We'll ask the rank of that word. Rank of word means what is the place of that word in a dictionary. That is called as rank of word. You know how can you proceed to observe the dictionary? So we can move to the alphabetical order. Then we can choose what where is the required word. We can choose there. That one how can you do easily within fraction of second. It takes less than 5 seconds time. It's simple. And here you have to know what are the words. There will be two types of words. You know when one is repeated letters will be there. Another one is non-repeated letters. Some words there will be repeated letters. Some words no repetitions. So both of them we can solve easily to find out the rank of that word, how it is. I will start first. What is the process to find out the rank of the word if there is no repetition in that word? That one I will start first. If you know that one, easily you can follow the what is the rank of the word where there is a repetition. Is it clear? Now, with the repetition is there, I will explain afterwards. First, I will start what is the rank of the word if there is a no repetition. Let's get start. A word I'm taking like Lord Ganesh. That word I'm taking here. Spelling I'm writing. This is any word you can take. That is I'm choosing this word first. You want the rank of this word. First to find out the rank of any word. What are the letters? All these we can write in alphabetical order. What are the alphabetical order here? First A comes, then E, then A, E, F, G, then H, then N, then S. We can write all the letters of the given word in alphabetical order. That is first step. After that, we can count what are the letters here. How many letters are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there. We can reduce the 1 from the 6. It becomes 5. We can write here 5 factorial first. 5 factorial into what is factorial expansion very well. I will do again in the calculation part. 5 factorial into. Now we can come to the what is first letter in our Ganesh? G. Now come to the G letter is where in alphabetical order? Here. Before the G means towards left of G there will be how many letters are left over? 2 letters. That means 2. No repetition here. If there is no repetition we can concentrate that also. Here in this word no repetition. That is what I am doing. Plus next. Next we can write 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 0 factorial. Like that we can write. We can add all of them like this. 5 factorial for first letter into before the G there will be 2 letters left over into 2 we can write. Next 4 factorial into. Can I guess next? What is next letter? Is a A. Once you write we can close it. Once you close it we can count that one. That's why next A. Before the A no letter is left over means it becomes 0 plus next 3 factorial. Now same way into next what is our next letter? N. Before the N how many letters are left over? E and H 2 letters. Don't count H again into 2 plus next 3 factorial then 2 factorial into. Now next N is over now E. Before the E no letter is left over towards the left of E means 0 it is plus 1 factorial into. Now After E, there is S. Before the S, there is one letter is left over into 1 plus 0 factorial into. Next, what is the next letter? H. Before the H, no letter is left over, means 0. After all these terms are completed, then we can add extra 1 plus 1. Now calculate it. I said to you, can you expand the 5 factorial? 5 factorial is nothing but continuous product of 5 natural numbers. That means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. By this becomes 120. Like 120 into 2 plus this is 0 because 4 factorial into 0 is 0 plus 3 factorial 3 into 2 6 into 2 is already there plus 2 factorial into 0 is 0 plus 1 factorial into 1 is 1 plus this is 0 plus 1. By adding all these, first you can take multiplication of this is 240 plus 0 plus 6 to 12 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Now what is this is 240 plus 14. 240 plus 14 is equals to 254. This is rank of the board. What is that? The Lord Ganesh. Very simply, see in this word, no repetitions. We can proceed like this. What is the rank of the word? You have to concentrate on alphabetical order and this step as well as calculus. That's it. Within fraction of seconds you can get it. Is it clear? Okay. Now you can choose any letter, not only this. Any word where there is no repetition. Like you can choose your names also where there is no repetition. You can check yourself what is the rank of your name word. There is single word. Anyone we can take. So is it clear? Similarly, one more word I am giving the example. So same way we can proceed where there is no repetition. I am choosing one more word. What is that? We'll see here. You know, everyone's goddess. Who is everyone's goddess? You know very well, you are too smart. Who is that? Yeah, mother. Okay, we can focus on the mother word now. Here also, no repetition. Now I'm writing spelling. Right? Now, let alphabetical order first what will comes? E, H, M, O, R, T. You know, these are the alphabetical order. E, H, M, O, R, T. Okay, right? So, as usual, what I said, here also there is no repetition. How many letters are there? 6 letters are there. We can write this one means 5. So, we can write 5 factorial into. So, we can consider the first letter. What is the first letter? M. Here M is here. The alphabetical order. Before them, how many letters are left over? 2 letters. Means 2. Plus next 5 factorial, then 4 factorial into. Same way you can focus on next letter. O. Here O. Before the O, there will be 2 letters are left over. I said to you, what is a cancel? Don't count it. Here already O closed. Plus, that's why you can close it. Otherwise, there is a chance to get the confusion. 3 factorial next. After T, after O, there is T. Before the T, how many letters are there towards left of T? 1, 2, 3 into 3, right? Now, plus 2 factorial into. Same way, you can consider the next letter. What is the next letter? H. Before the H, how many letters are left over? Only 1 letter into 1 plus. Next, after 2 factorial, we can take 1 factorial into. Next, H is already over. Now come to the E. Yes, before the E, no letter is there means becomes 0 plus 0 factorial now. 0 factorial into. After E, there is R. Before the R, no letter is left over means it becomes 0. After simplifying this one, you have to add extra plus 1, right? Add extra 1. You can simplify it. Just now I'll explain the 5 factorial. Is value 120 into 2 plus 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Yes, That means 24. 24 into 2 here plus 3 factor 3 into 2 6 into 3 plus 2 factor is 2 into already 1 plus 1 factor into 0 is 0 plus 0 factor into 0 is 0. Next plus 1. Now what is the calculation of this is 240 plus 48 plus 18 plus 2 plus 1. Therefore this is 288. First we adding these two. Next 20 plus 1 21. This becomes 309. This is the rank of the word mother. Okay, is it clear? Very simple. Now, father choice is yours. What I mean to say, finding the rank of the word father is your work. Do it. What is the rank of the father? You can find out. In that father also no repetitions. Easily can get it. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, please make a note in a comment section. Definitely, I will explain. I will clarify your doubts. Right? These are the various words regarding where there is no repetition. How can you find out the rank? What you have to do yourself? You can do now the word, next word, father. You can do that is your side. Okay, I will check. If there is any doubt, you can make a note in comment section. Right? Now, we can come to the two examples are given to you. One is Ganesh, Lord Ganesh. Second one is mother. In both the words, no repetitions. Now come to the where there is a repetition, how can you proceed? One word, it is given in JEE Mains 2016. That is given as word small. SMALL, small. This is given JEE Mains 2016. Okay, in this word, what you can observe that? There is a repetition. What is repetition here? SL is repeated. Maybe one letter will be repeated, maybe more than one letter also repeat. First one letter repeat, what you can do for this one? Process is same. First you can write as usual alphabetical order. What is first letter? A. Next L. L, two letters are there, we can write both of them, right? M. Then S. Alphabetical order. Now as usual, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Minus 1, 4 factorial into. Here in case of repetition, you have to take one care. What that you can understand here. First you can come to S. Before S, how many letters are left over? 4 letters. 4 by, there is repetition. How many letters are? L is repeated how many times? 2 times. Means 1 plus 1, 2. We can write as 2 factorial here. That is compulsory. Towards this one, something is there, any repetition, that also we can write. But here before, after this, no repetitions are there. That's why no need to worry. This is S is closed now. Next, what is the next? Plus 3 factorial into. Okay, what I'm proceeding for the repetition, you can concentrate carefully. 3 factorial into next letter M. Before the M, how many letters are left over? 3 letters. That is 3 by. There is a repetition. LL is D. That is 2 factorial. Plus, where you start 2 factorial into S. After A, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, A, next letter A. Before the A, no letter is left over. Now close A into 0. No means 0. So, towards A also you can concentrate. In case of repetition is there. Towards the right side of A, there will be 2 letters are repeated. We can write there actually by 2 factorial, but 0 is there, no need to worry. Plus, but process you have to know first. Next, plus 1 factorial into. After there will be L. Before the L, no letter is left over. This is also 0. Next, 0 factorial into. So one more L is there. Again, here also 0. Now finally you can add 1. Therefore, what is this? 4 factorial, I said just now only 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 24. 24 into 4 by 2 factorial is 2 plus 3 factorial is 6. 6 into 3 by 2 plus this is 0, plus this is a 0, plus this is also 0, plus finally 1. Therefore, this is cancelled 12 times, 12 into 4, plus this is cancelled 3 times, 3 into 3, plus 1. Therefore, this is 48 plus 3 3 is 9 plus 1. That is 58th rank. What is rank of this word? Small 58. Or we can proceed where there is a repetition. Just we have to concentrate repeated letters. We can take by factor, maybe 2 times repeated, 3 times repeated, like that we can proceed. So it is given in JEE Mains 2016. I think so it is very clear to you. Even if you are not clear, once again you can watch the video, you can get the idea. One more word I will explain. You can get clear idea. What is that? We'll see now. You can observe that the word success, S-U-C-C-E-S-S, success. In this word, there will be repetition, C there as well as S is there. Even though one letter and more letters are repeated, same process. What is that? We'll look at here. First of all, alphabetical order. First C, next E, then S. C are two, I have written S, S 3 times. S, 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 then U, S. Now, as usual, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters means we can register 1 means it is 6 factorial into we want S. Before this, there will be how many letters are left over? Towards left of S, 3 letters, 3 by. But here there will be repetition. 2 C's is 2 factor. And in this case, from S to right also, how many of them are left over, including this S? 4 letters in which 3 letters are repeated. That also you have to write as 3 factor. That is in case of more than 1 letter is repeated, you can proceed like this. Right. Next, 6 factor is over. Next, what is next? S, 5 factor into S. After this, we want U. S. Before the U, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters are left or 5 by, because there will be repetition. 2 is twice, C is twice, that is 2 factorial, S is twice, that is 2 factorial. Don't count what is already cancelled. That is for next U. Now plus. Come to the 4 factorial. Now C want S. Before the C, only one C you can count. Before the C, no letter is left over. Because this both are same only, means what? 0. 0 by some 3 factorial here. This side 2 factorial is a 0 only. That's why no need to write. Including the C, from towards the right side of C, there will be S is repeated. We can write by 2 factorial actually, but 0 is there, no need to write. Plus 3 factorial into. Next, after one U and C, one C closed, one more C. For this also, we can take no letter 0 plus these 2 C's are over plus 2 factorial into. Now we can come to the E. Before the E, no letter is left over. 0. 0 by actually here 2 right side of 2 S there, we can buy 2 factorial, but 0 is there, that's why no need to write. Plus 1 factorial into. Now we can come to the S. S, 1 S. Before this, no letter 0. 0 by 2 factorial is 0 only plus. Next 0 factorial. Now one more S. Here also no letter is left over. It is also 0. Plus finally you can add 1. Now what is this is? Now 6 factorial. 6 factorial is what? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By taking the calculation, this becomes 720. Most of them are know about the factorial notation. Even a few of them are don't know. Please watch this video. 3 by 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial is 6. Plus 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 2. Now what I did? 120 into 5 by 2 into 2 here. Now plus this is 0. Plus this is 0. Plus this is also 0. Plus this is 0. Plus 0. Finally, last one. Now this is 6 cancel here. First 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 6, 2 0 and 0 with the 2, and again 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 36, 60 into 3 plus here cancellation 4, 3's, 30's. Now it is 30 into 5 plus 1. Now 3 into 60, 180 plus 30 into 5. 30 into 5 is 50, 150 plus 1. By addition of this is what happened? 1. 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 331. This is rank of the word success. What we can observe, there will be 2 letters repeated. C is repeated, S is repeated, but process is same. What is the process? You can try to understand carefully. It's very easy. Within fraction of seconds you can get if you know the process easily. Process is must. If you know the process, it takes time. Very, very, very simple. So this is about the rank of the word, where there is a repetition, where there is no repetition. I hope so you followed this is easily. If you are not followed anything, you can make a comment. Definitely I will explain with clear details. I will go and contact my mail ID. I will give the mail ID in this video. You can contact with your WhatsApp number. Definitely I rectify your doubts. I think so it's a very, very simple, easy, mostly important for JEE main students as well as MCET students. We can start a few more words I will give to you. You can do yourself work, guess, maybe sister, brother. All these are, there will be repetition, etc. We can take any words. We can find out the rank of those words. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding those words, just put a note. Definitely I will guide you. Is it clear? Now I will end this video today. In next video I will meet with other topic. Till then, take care. Bye.